Now, since you already have a working Git on your Windows machine, I want to quickly show you how to do the same installation on your Mac machine. So I'm going to head out to one of my Mac machines. I'm going to use VNC server to connect to my Mac. So installing Git on Mac is no different than Windows, absolutely the same. But I'm going to show you this anyway. So I'm going to hit out to my repository where I have all the Git installation instructions. And then I'm going to grab a desktop version of Git. It's going to be the same link, desktop.github.com. And I'm going to download for macOS. Okay. Now, as you can see, I have a GitHub desktop. I'm just going to double click on it, click open, sign into github.com. Okay. So as you see is exactly the same graphical interface as you see it on the Windows. I'm going to clone a repository and it's going to bring up all my existing remote repository. And it's absolutely the same. So I can pick any repository, clone it to my local repository. Now let's head back to the Chrome, and I'm going to show you how to install the command line version of the GitHub. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to install the command line version of the GitHub. So this is my repository, and as you see, it takes you to the same URL. Now this time I'm going to download the macOS version. And just to save the time, I'll quickly show you once this is downloaded, you will see something like this. All you need to do is double click on this one and it's going to install Git on your machine. Next thing, once the Git is installed on your machine, all you need to do, open a terminal window in Mac and type Git. If you have a successful installation of Git, it's going to return you all the Git commands.